You can hide app names, widget names from iPhone home screen with iOS 18. Apple's recently announced software update for iPhone, iOS 18, has long remained, for the past few months, the central focus of the rumor mill, spitting out an abundance of this and that device and gadget every minute. While Apple announced a spate of remarkable features for its yet-to-release iOS 18, the biggest iOS update, Gadinsider, has encountered one of them standing out. Although Apple is already well considerate of iPhone users' privacy as well as on-device content safety, the feature appears to add to the security appeal of Apple's most-selling device, the iPhone, once released. Not only would the feature let users hide apps, it also enables them to keep widget names located on iPhone's home screen away from sneakers' eyes. Coming with a revamped control center and the ability to position icons as per one's needs and wants, the feature is likely to expand the scale of customization. How to hide app names on iOS 18. Tap and hold on an empty area on the home screen of your iPhone. Select Edit in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on Customize and then select Large Icon Size option. Increasing the size of the icons will automatically hide app names from the iPhone's home screen. As the latest iOS update is in the pipeline, the iOS 18 Developer Beta 1 was found letting users hide apps, folders, and widget names from the home screen of iPhone. Note that the feature will only be compatible after it's undergoing wider release for select iPhone models. To be more precise, the so far latest iPhone series Pro models and the upcoming iPhone 16 series are the only devices the feature is tailored for. So when does the iOS 18 update come out? The iPhone maker is reportedly planning to release the iOS 18 around September 2024, the month which Apple has been targeting for almost the last 10 years to roll out iOS updates.